Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a new type of paper airplane. Yeah, this is how you make it. First turn it over here. And after that we got our papers, and after that squeeze it in. And next step, you fold it like this. Fold it like this. And this is how we usually do it when I'm making an airplane. Now after you do like this, do like that. And now after that, you like, and after that add this. And after you add this, and next do like this. And next, this is kind of hard part to do. It's like, this is how you do it. Yeah, this. Now after this, do like that. Now do the other side, same step. Yeah, like that, the other side. And this is how you get your airplane. Just to do over here. And after and over there, do it over here again. Yeah, and after you do it, now throw it. It's going to work awesome. Ah!